Riu Palace, Mexico. And lots of taxis for you. If you didn't feel like walking to Fifth Avenue, just take a taxi. This resort has 434 rooms in total, so it's not overwhelming. Easy to navigate. Lobby is very pretty and lots of seating. When it's 30 above and the humidity is so high, it's wonderful to be in a lobby that's air conditioned. This is a tiny chapel in the lobby. And as soon as you walk in, you're impressed by the chandeliers, rich colors, purples and silver. They have many chairs and tables. Front desk check-in. And the lobby bar. And this lobby is enclosed and air conditioned. And there is a money exchange desk as well as an ATM machine. And a gift shop for some clothing items, bathing suit, bags, sunscreen, so if you forget something, there's somewhere to get it. Good morning. This is Lounge 24 in the lobby, and it's a smaller area to have some snacks, coffee, that kind of thing. This is the lobby bar. A little bit quiet during the afternoon, but very lively at cocktail hour. The restaurants are located on the lower level. And this is where your Sunwing rep is located in case you have to ask her any questions. This is seating for evening entertainment. They have singers that perform on this stage. The majority of these rooms are called garden view. There are some that do face the ocean. I am in a junior suite that does have an ocean view, and it's very nice. So if you're wanting an elevated room a bit larger, choose the junior suite. The grounds are very well manicured here. There's always staff taking care and making sure everything is pristine. take a catamaran, it is free of charge, but if you want to take a Fidoo out or a wave runner, there is a cost involved. This is the beach directly in front of Riu Palace, Mexico. It's 3 in the afternoon and there are many chairs that are not claimed. So if you were coming down to the beach a bit later in the day, there seems to be chairs available. If you want to have something to eat while you're on the beach, there's Pepe's Food. Hot dogs, hamburgers, taco chips. Just a snack. My room is a junior suite. It's more spacious and it is ocean facing. King size bed. Television. Desk for working. Sofa. And this is the balcony. Very large. And Rius are known for their in-room bar. So there's 4 bottles of alcohol that you can just press your glass up against. And there is a mini fridge. Canada Dry, beer, water, Pepsi, and it's stocked daily. There's a coffee station. Open concept bathroom, tub, and a shower and toilet. I have a junior suite and I'm on the 3rd floor, far left. And I have a view of the pools and the ocean. It's a lovely room. I'm in the steakhouse. This is the buffet at Riu Palace Mexico, Don Julian. It's 9:30 and they close at 10, so I'm going to get something to eat. Lamb chops, ribeye steak, pork, rice, green beans, onions, carrots, beef Wellington, chickpea, chop suey, vegetable chow, fan, pumpkin, pasta and vegetables, and chips, crab claws, salt fish croquet, fried squid, seafood paella, one of my favorites, pasta station, bruschetta, pizza, buns and soup, fried chicken, eggs, chicken tacos, mushroom pasty, lamb, Caribbean style meatballs, refried beans, chicken nuggets for the kids, hot dogs, cheese and salami, all kinds of cheese. Riu does excel at desserts, I have to say. There's always a wide selection and it's so pretty to look at. Pistachio tart. Ooh, homemade chocolates. Variety of fresh fruit. And you can prepare your own salad. There's lots of choices here. Prawns. Goodness. And all the toppings. Little tapas. Looks beautiful. This is the Mexican dining option. Great decor. Seafood ceviche, beef, and the Mexican station, chili beans, cheese sauce, potatoes with chorizo. This is the Japanese restaurant. Enjoying a fabulous martini at the bar in the lobby of the Riu Palace Mexico. I'm in the Japanese restaurant and I'm having a glass of champagne. Gracias. morning, everyone. It is the breakfast buffet at Riu Palace, Mexico. A great selection of fresh fruit, churros, French toast. Hola!
Hola.
And if you'd like a sweet treat, donuts and cupcakes, rice, quesadillas, refried beans, bean sauce, scrambled eggs, sausages and bacon, hash browns, potatoes, tomatoes, bacon, Hola! Maybe you'd like a little champagne and orange juice. Cold cereal and milk. Fresh fruit and yogurt. Mexican breads, poisson. Maybe a bit of vodka and tomato juice. Smoked salmon, turkey ham, cured sausage, ham. A nice way to wake up in the morning. What's the beauty of staying in Playa Car? In my opinion, it's having the flexibility to walk out of the front door of your resort and walk down the street. This is a residential area, safe in my opinion. You can use some of the bikes if they have them at resorts and cycle down to a little shopping mall. Maybe you'd like to go to Fifth Avenue, which is a cool thing to do. Fifth Avenue is filled with lots of shops and restaurants and not very far from here. Walkable, but you can take a taxi if you like. I love this area. Be sure you visit. Hey everyone, thanks for watching, and it's Susan at Escapes. I'm now leaving the Riu Palace, Mexico. I've had a great stay, 4 nights, great resort. I'm a bit sorry to go, but I'm moving on to the next resort, so be sure to give this a thumbs up and do subscribe as I post often. Thanks everyone.